In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export WAV from 11 Labs, step by step. If you want the best possible audio quality for editing, mixing, or archiving, exporting to WAV is a great choice because it's an uncompressed format. Let's walk through the process clearly and simply from start to finish. First, open your web browser and head to Google. In the search bar, type 11 Labs and press Enter. From the results, click the official 11 Labs website. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and do that so you can access your projects and past generations. Once you're on the site, look for the text-to-speech section and open it. This is where you generate audio, but it's also the easiest place to access your previously created clips. Inside text-to-speech, find the History option. History shows all your recent generations with timestamps, titles, and durations, which makes it much easier to locate the exact audio you want. Browse your list and select the specific audio you want to export as a WAV file. If you have many items, take a moment to preview the clip or check its details to be sure you're picking the correct one. Choosing the right version now saves time later, especially if you've made multiple iterations. With the correct item selected, click the Download option. You'll see format choices. Choose WAV. WAV files are larger than MP3s because they're uncompressed, but that's what preserves the full quality. After choosing WAV, your browser will either start the download immediately or ask you where to save it. Pick a clear folder and consider giving the file a descriptive name so you can find it quickly when editing. To confirm the export, open the downloaded file and play a few seconds to make sure it sounds as expected. Then check its properties to verify the format is indeed WAV. On Windows, you can right-click the file, select Properties, and look under the Details tab for the audio format. On Mac OS, select the file, press Command-I to open Get Info, and look for the file type and codec. You should see WAV listed, often with PCM as the encoding. That's all there is to it. You search for 11 Labs, opened text-to-speech, went to your history, chose the correct audio, downloaded it as WAV, and verified the file. If you don't see the download option on a clip, make sure the item has fully generated and refresh the page. Enjoy your high-quality WAV file, and happy editing!